Okay. So this is your recent paper, November 25 P3. We will be attempting the web authoring part of this web page, task 4. Can I start? Right? Hussain, you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 1 second, let you open up. You will create a new external style sheet and edit a web page for the style sheet. All color codes must be in hexadecimal. Your style sheet must not contain HTML, obviously, which means you have to make a CSS file. What they mean is, for example, when you open up this, file, new, they're saying is that you have to make is a CSS file. Okay, and you create. And you always have to make sure that you save it in the same folder. File, save as, in the same folder where you have the rest of the files. Okay. In that case, do I have it? Let's say, oh yes, I do. This is the same sporting file we have. And I can just save it as, let's say, new dot CSS. Always name it as CSS. Okay. So the question over here is saying, create a new style sheet, set the background for the web page. So you see, the CSS questions are being repeated. So I told you to past papers like 17, and where this question came so many times, and that's going again. Set the background. So the body background will have the following color: RGB, red, green, and blue. So it will be D8, DDFF. So what we'll do is CSS designer, the body, and we need to have over here the body will have is not the border, but the background color. Background color will be D8 DDFF. Okay, so D8 DDFF. Okay, the hashtag should remain, keep that in mind. Set the background to have a single image using the file this. So first of all, let's add the background badge. And single file means is that it should have is no repeat. You get this point? No repeat, because that's what single file means. Okay, single image, and place this in the top left corner of the page. So if you come here, you will find over here is that background position. We have to set this as left and top. So always explore this. Okay, explore all these things. It will give you a very good idea. So done with this. Set the styles for all the tables, so that borders are not collapsed. Both border spacing and cell spacing are set to this. The tables are right aligned to the browser window. Okay. Borders are not collapsed. So obviously we have to make over here is a table tag. And we'll simply have to do is, so you know what border collapse is? Collapse means that the border will not be shared. So you can have border as collapsed or separated. Okay, so we need is separated because they say not collapsed, right? Border is not collapsed. Set border spacing and cell padding are both set border spacing. Okay, border spacing and cell padding are set to 20. So we will set the now as far as the cell padding is concerned, we should always do that in the TD tag. You know why the TD tag? Because whenever you want to temper the inside of the cell, you should always do it inside the TD cell. ये याद रखना बात, okay? Just try to remember this. So इसमें क्या करना है हमने? What are they saying? Set border spacing and the cell padding to 20. So we can simply say over here is 1 second. Padding should be 20 px. ये बस उन्होंने कहा है. Okay? And both border spacing and cell padding. Border spacing. Border spacing we should be doing over here in the table. So we can have over here border. You will see border spacing. Border spacing. How much they said? 220 px. Did you get this point? So remember, border spacing that you have to do will be in the table tag and padding because padding means inside the cell and border spacing is between the cells which is actually in table. Okay, just try to remember this point forever. The table are right aligned to the browser window. Okay, so we have to make sure that the tables are right aligned. So just come here and you will see over here is that's text alignment. Uh, okay, no, sorry. Yes, can you hear me now?
Yes, sir, I can.
When did you leave? I kept on. You were waiting.
Sir, internet got disconnected.
Okay, okay. So I made the table tag. What did you do this with me?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
इसके बाद जाने हो गया था.
अच्छा इसके बाद मैंने I made a TD tag. So I was saying was कि whenever you have to do the padding means that the cell, the spacing between the content of the cell and the boundary, content of the cell and the boundary, that will be done in the TD tag. Yes or no? Okay, and the cell spacing will be done over here, border spacing. So the border spacing 20 and the cell padding 20. Border spacing in the table and cell padding over here. So you have to remember this. उसके बाद हमने क्या कहा है? The table are right aligned in the browser window. So हमने इसको कहना है कि अब राइट लाइन किस तरह करना है हमने? तो उसके लिए हम ये करेंगे कि इसके हम पोजीशन करेंगे. We will say left to be auto. ओहो, auto. क्यों नहीं ऑटो सेट हो रहा? ऑटो और राइट को we'll just say n pixel 0. Now what do I mean by this? देखो, if I do this, इससे basically क्या हो रहा है? Let's say if I have is a page and I have over here is a table inside this. So you see there is no space over here. This means it's right line. If I make this space 0, it will be left line. So this is the same thing we've done. Left is auto and the right is 0. If I make right 0, automatically it will be space, it will be right line. Did you get this point? That's how we do the alignment in CSS. This is the way we do it. And you have to remember this way. जी बेटा याद रहेगा?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Acha, now create a new class center. Now what is a class? Well, classes actually give more feature to CSS tags. For example, if you have is a table tag, there is just one table tag. What if you want multiple table tags? A table 1 format, table 2 format, what will you do? So for that, what you have to do is you can make classes. So if I want to make a class, how do we make a class? We make a class by saying dot center. Okay, right? And what I could do now is, 1 second, right? And what does this class center would do? That forces the text to be center line. So simple इधर आके text को हमने क्या करना है? To be center line. So I've made a class. Dot मैं दोबारा repeat कर रहा हूँ. The way we make a class is we write dot center. Okay. Now this has been is for text to be center line. Add comment at the end of the style sheet to contain your name, center number, and candidate number. So how do we do that? You add a comment through this way. So Control V, add your details. Your center number, candidate number, and all that will come here. Why do we have comments? Comments are not part of the code. Okay, they are not part of the code. Are you with me, Sam?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right? So अब आपने मैं इसको स्टॉप करता हूँ. आपने इसी पॉइंट को करके मुझे भेजना बिफोर